Discharge. What I'm doing here is I'm making a green drink. That's what I've done here is I've taken the stalks. Here's the stalks. This is from, I think it's Covey. Here's broccoli, I think it is. And I got mustard and all the stalks that I used to throw away. I don't throw away anymore. What I do is I just take them and I cut them out. Okay? So they look like this. So that's it all cut. So what I do is I will put it on a scale and I will grab 300 grams. 300. I don't know why I chose that. I'm at 165. 201. That's more here. So 300 seems to be the magic number for the glasses I have, the jars. I'm at 257, around 300 grams. Put them in here. And then for every 300 grams, crunchy, I will put in 1 1/4 cups of water. Because it seems to mix the best. I will also a couple of spoonfuls of salt, pink salt as always. Then I got a small, whatever you like. I put 2 things of garlic in here. Love hot peppers. I don't know why. It's something burns the shit out of your mouth. Then that goes in the blender for a couple of seconds. Until it turns, depending on the color. Over here, I don't know if you can see me. Where's the top? Waiting time. I'm going to put you on pause. Going to be some noise, but I put it on here. That's the blender. You can see it. I finished. It's not a green drink. It's red because I put beets, and that'll turn it red. So what I do is I'll put it in a jar, pour it in there. Uh-oh, this thing is starting to leak. That's not good. Don't like that. Is it because I got this here? Maybe I didn't do it tight enough. I hope so. Anyway, I take this like that. Then, I don't know if I have any hoods. I put a piece of plastic around it on top. Over here. Take a piece of plastic, or you can put the top on, but you gotta leave it to breathe. Because what it's going to do is ferment. I leave it out overnight for a couple days, and it will ferment, and it makes it more bioavailable. And that's what you're looking to do. Bioavailability. And on top of that, I'm getting all the nutrients. The stalks are very good. Minus of a gun. Oh, the stalks are nutrient dense. Just like the leaves, although everybody's used to the leaves. So, if I run out of, I already have some over there. This is from a couple of days ago. I'm running out, so I decided to do more in a video for you. So, that's old stuff, but this is going to sit on the countertop. I'm going to try. These are plastic bags from bread or something. I just put them in here and I cut the corner. And I can't see, I'm blind. And I go on there. You gotta let the stuff breathe, but you don't want the air. It's gotta be sort of aerobic. And this, you don't want to fill it up too much because this is gonna go down, it's gonna separate, and then there'll be bubbles that may foam over. So you gotta be careful how high you put it. That's the magic of the stocks. So you put whatever you want in there. I put hot pepper, I put salt, I put garlic. For 300 grams, I put a cup and a quarter of water. You can put more or less, whatever, but it just makes the blender go better. If you don't put enough, it gets stuck. So the magic of green, should be a green drink, but it's a red drink today.